Okay, let's change a rear wiper for 2012 Toyota Prius. First you have to open this, otherwise it's not gonna go too far. It locks, so you have to pop this from both sides and then lift it. Then you lift this windshield wiper and turn this 90 degrees, and it has to pop, and then you can take it out. Torn and old, and then you can replace it with this one, R16A. It says rear. Again, put it somewhat 90 degrees and then pop it back in. This one is much easier. Then lower this and then close this. It pops and it's done, and it's ready to go.